Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the talkSPORT app not working. So first of all, open your app store and search for talkSPORT app. Then make sure that you are running the latest version of the app and update if you have to. Check if it fixed the issue. But if it doesn't, we need to clear app cache. And to do that, simply open your phone settings and then scroll down to General. Tap on that and then tap on iPhone storage. Find the talkSPORT app and then tap on that. Then tap the upload app, then tap again to confirm. And after a few seconds, the reinstall button will show up. Tap on that to reinstall the app. Check if it fixed the issue. But if it doesn't, we need to completely reinstall the app. And to do that, follow the solution 2, and once you are on this page, simply click Delete App to completely uninstall the app. And once the app is uninstalled, open your app store and search for the talkSPORT app, then install the app. And hopefully, this will fix the issue. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.